Okay, welcome back to question number 4. In this question, you can see we have the expression of a number plus variable or something square. Something that has a variable square. So first let's discuss what would be the idea of the substitution that we will use. In this question we have to be very careful. We have 9 plus 4x squared. Now I will just say the general thing. It is a number plus, I will just say something square. So it is a plus something which is square. A number plus something square. The substitution that you will do, you will take that thing which is squared and you will write it as square root of a tan theta. Now let's fill in the gap here. What is a and what is something square? A is 9. That's clear. This is 9. So here I will write square root of 9. Now how can I make this one into something square? This should be easily 2x. So this should be 2x, which means x alone should be divided by 2. And that's what the substitution that I'm going to use here. 9 over square root of 9 over 2 tan theta. Okay, this is we do it if we have again a number plus something which is square. We take that thing which is something and we write it as square root of a tan theta. Okay, so we go back here and we write x equal to square root of 9 is 3 over 2 tan theta. We directly can find dx, which is 3 over 2 secant square theta d theta. All what we need to do next, take this information and we write them here. The original question was this: square root of 9 plus 4x squared over x dx. And this will be now 9 plus 4. We open this bracket and we write 3 over 2 tan theta over 3 over 2 tan theta. This is the x here. Okay, and then we need to find dx. And what is dx? It's already written here. 3 over 2 secant square theta d theta. Lucky for us, we can do kind of cancellation here. 3 over 2 will get cancelled. Now this one here will be what? Let me go and find it here. It will be square root of 9 plus 4 times 9 over 4 tan square theta. If we take the square on the tan, square on the 3, square on the 2, we get this one. Again, I will get cancellation here, 4 and 4. And I will take 9 as common factor. That will be the next step. Over tan theta secant square theta d theta. As I just said, I will do the cancellation. I will take 9 as common factor. And that's what I will get. Tan theta secant square theta d theta, and then I have square root of 9 and then 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is just secant square. So this will be 9. Let me go back and let me zoom in here. This is, you need to remember this formula it is secant square theta. And that's what I will write here. Over tan theta, secant square theta, d theta. Square root of 9 secant square theta, this is just 9 secant theta. I'm sorry, it's a 3. Just a 3 secant theta. This is just tan theta. And secant square is secant square theta. D theta. I think now we can just simplify things. Take the 3 outside and take the secant together. So you get secant cube theta over tan theta d theta. The next step is what we need to do. We need to find a way to move this question around. So either we will return it back to sine and cosine, if that's going to help us. Okay. So for that, I'll just leave it for you to think about it. I will finish this question when we meet next Monday, so that we can follow up what will be the final answer here.